Hello friends, myself Nikita Gaikwad of B Pharmacy from Dynamic Society, Baramati College of Pharmacy, Bharanpur, Baramati. Today's topic is Morse method. Before that, we should know that an arganometric titration. Arganometric titration is also known as precipitating titration. Argentometric titration. In this titration, it is precipitating titration, silver nitrate or silver ions is involved. As the Latin name of silver is argentum, the precipitation titration is often termed as argentometric titration. It has been broadly classified into following methods: Morse method, Volta's method, Fazan's method, Gay-Lussac method. Morse method. We should know definition of Morse method. It is the method which determines concentration of chloride ions when it is titrated with silver nitrate. In Morse titration, given chloride solution, for example NaCl, is titrated with a standard AgNO3 solution, when Cl- ions are precipitated as AgCl, silver chloride. AgNO3 in aqueous solution plus NaCl in aqueous solution gives AgCl solid. It is a precipitate plus NaNO3, that is sodium nitrate. In this equation, AgNO3 is a precipitating agent and AgCl is a precipitate. Precipitate is a insoluble substance in the solution. It is a chemical which it helps to form precipitate, and the precipitating agent is also called as precipitant. The reaction is double displacement reaction. In the it is the chemical reaction in which one compound of both the reacting molecules is exchanged to form the product, which means cations and anions of two different compounds exchange its place to form entirely two different compounds. In the equation, Ag plus Cl minus gives AgCl, and Na plus NO3 minus gives NaNO3. The second point, a small amount of K2CrO4, that is potassium chromate, is added to the chloride solution, which acts as an indicator. When AgNO3, that is silver nitrate, is gradually added, the end point is confirmed by the first permanent appearance of brick red color precipitate of Ag2CrO4. Brick red color precipitate of Ag2CrO4 is formed when slowly added AgNO3 with NaCl. Theory: Ag plus in aqueous solution plus Cl minus in aqueous solution gives AgCl in solid form. 2Ag plus CrO4 2 minus gives Ag2CrO4. Now let us see the limitations. Ag2CrO4 is soluble in acid, so the solution should be always neutral. If the solution is acidic, first neutralizes with CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate, to make the solution neutral. Then start the titration process. If the solution is basic, AgNO3 is precipitated. Silver nitrate is precipitated as silver hydroxide, that is AgOH, is so first neutralizes with nitric acid and then start the titration. The titration is not suitable for iodide. For chloride and bromide, the method is applicable and suitable also. Iodides are exceptions. If BaCl2, that is barium chloride, and BaBr2, that is barium bromide, is used in the process as a sample, slight excess of K2SO4, that is indicator, is added, or otherwise barium sulfate will be precipitated. Let us see the procedure. Determination of normality of the given chloride solution by the Mohs method. Preparation of 0.1 normal AgNO3 solution. Dissolve 4.248 grams of AgNO3 in 250 ml of water. Titration. Standard solution of 0.1 normal AgNO3 in burette. Sample solution 25 ml NaCl in clean conical flask. Take 58.44 grams of NaCl in volumetric flask. Add water up to the mark, and then pipette out 25 ml of solution in conical flask. Indicator 1 ml K2CrO4 potassium chromate in conical flask. Endpoint, brick red precipitate is formed. Blank titration. Perform the blank titration by taking 25 ml water in place of sample. The Mohs method uses silver nitrate for titration. Normality 0.0141. This corresponds to 1 ml of 0.0141 equals to 1 mg of chloride in solution. The silver nitrate AgNO3 solution is standardized against standard chloride solution prepared from sodium chloride NaCl. During the titration, chloride ions is precipitated as the silver chloride. Ag plus Cl minus gives AgCl. The solubility constant product, that is Ksp of AgCl, is 3 into 10 raised to minus 10. The indicator potassium chromate is added to visualize the endpoint, demonstrating presence of excess silver ions Ag plus. In presence of excess silver ions, solubility product of silver chromate extended and it forms a reddish brown precipitate. At this stage, it is taken as an evidence that all chloride ions have been consumed and only excess silver ions have reacted with the chromate ions. 2 Ag plus CrO4 2 minus gives Ag2CrO4. The solubility constant product Ksp of Ag2CrO4 is 5 into 10 raised to minus 12. Now steps to titration. Take 25 ml sample in a conical flask. Measure sample pH. Add 1 ml indicator solution potassium chromate. Titrate with standard silver nitrate solution to pinkish yellow endpoint and note the volume of titrant used. Also measure sample pH. Calculate chloride ions concentration using equation. The equation is concentration of chloride A into 10 in A into N into 35.45 into 1000 upon V sample, where A is volume of titrant used, N is normality of silver nitrate. Here we used N upon 71 or 0.0141 normal. V sample is a volume of sample used ml. Here the titrant is AgNO3 and the V sample, volume of sample here used is of NaCl. A uniform sample size must be used, preferably 100 ml, so that ionic concentration needed to indicate the endpoint will be constant. The pH must be in the range of 7 to 8, as silver ions are precipitated as AgOH, that is silver hydroxide, at high pH levels, and chromate ions, that is CrO4, are converted to Cr2O7 2- at low pH values. A definite amount of indicator, that is K2CrO4, must be used to provide a certain concentration of chromate ions. Otherwise, silver chromate may form too soon or not enough. Assay of potassium chloride. The potassium chloride molecular formula is KCl. Molecular weight is 74.55. The principle is it is a direct precipitation titration of potassium chloride with silver nitrate. Potassium chromate is used as an indicator. At the end point, the excess of silver nitrate reacts with the indicator to give a brick red color precipitate. Procedure: preparation of 0.1 m AgNO3 solution. Dissolve 17 grams of silver nitrate in sufficient water and make up the volume up to 1000 ml with water. Standardization of 0.1 m AgNO3 solution. Weight accurately about 0.1 gram of sodium chloride, NaCl, previously dried at 110 degrees Celsius for 2 hours and dissolved in 5 ml of water. Add 5 ml of acetic acid, 50 ml of methanol, and 0.15 ml of ozone solution. The acetic acid formula is CH3C double bond H. Methanol formula is CH3OH, and the ozone formula is C2OH6Br4Na2O5. Stir preferably with magnetic strainer and titrate with the silver nitrate solution. Store the solution in a well closed container protected from light. Reaction: NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. Factors calculation: 1 mole of AgNO3 equals to 1 mole of sodium chloride. 1000 ml of 1 mole AgNO3 equals to 58.44 grams of sodium chloride. 1 ml of 0.1 mole AgNO3 equals to 0.005844 grams of NaCl. Weight accurately about 0.15 grams of potassium chloride, that is KCl, and dissolved it in 50 ml of distilled water. To it, add 2 to 3 drops of potassium chromate solution, that is K2CrO4, as an indicator, and titrate with 0.1 molar silver nitrate, that is AgNO3 solution. Observe the endpoint as the color changes of precipitate with cream to brick red color. Reaction: KCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus KNO3. At the end point, 2AgNO3 plus 2K2CrO4 gives Ag2CrO4 plus 2KNO3. Factors calculation. 1 mole of AgNO3 equals to 1 mole of KCl. 1000 ml of 1 mole AgNO3 equals to 74.55 grams of KCl. 1 ml of 0.1 mAgNO3 equals to 0.007455 grams of KCl. Credits. Special thanks to all the people who made and released these awesome resources for free. Thanks. There is a thought written by John Maxwell. Successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential. If your potential is very great, then concentrate on the potential, not on the abilities. Thank you.